Let's go. Let's proceed to our learning journey.
So at this point, we will now proceed to inverse function pertaining to domain and range. So our learning objective, you are able to determine the domain and range of an inverse function. Function of x equal to x minus 9 over x plus 3. Let us look for the domain of the function of x. Since we have x plus 3, so to solve for the domain, we have your restriction that the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay? Then, solve for x. We have now x is not equal to negative 3. So, this is your restriction. So, mean to say, ang domain natin, that is set of x, such that x is an element of real number. Okay? Wherein x not equal to negative 3. Mean to say, hindi kasali si negative 3. So, lahat ng values of x except negative 3. How about the range? To get the range, we compute, right? We get the interchange yung x and y. So, translate muna natin into y. We have now y is equal x minus 9, then x plus 3. And then, interchange x and y. So, interchange x and y. So, x is equal to y minus 9. Then, we have y plus 3. Then, solve for y. So, solve for y. We have now x equal to y minus 9, then y plus 3. So, you will multiply both sides by y plus 3. As we recall, okay? So, y plus 3. So, we have now y plus 3 multiplied to x, okay? Equal to, the remaining now is y minus 9, okay? And then, what's next? You distribute, okay? You distribute x. We have now xy. We have, we distribute x. We have xy plus 3x equal to y minus 9. Then, variable y, we have now to subtract both sides by y. So, we have xy minus y. And we have to subtract 3x both sides. We have now negative 9 minus 3x. Okay? So, yan. Then, factor out y. Factoring. Common factor is y. Then, x minus 1. Equal to, easy lang natin, negative 3x minus 9. Still the same. Okay? And then, divide both sides by y minus 1. So, continue that part. So, we have now y, x minus 1 equal to negative 3x minus 9. Divide both sides by x minus 1 since we are looking for the y equation. So, we have now negative 3x minus 9, then x minus 1. So, this is now your inverse function. Okay? Negative 3x minus 9 or translated class ng f, inverse function of x equal to negative 3x minus 9 x minus 1. So, at this point, kuhain ko yung aking value ng x, yung domain nito. So, x minus 1. So, mean to say, meron tayong restriction that x minus 1 is not equal to 0. It means x is not equal to 1. So, that is now your range. X, instead of x, y yun, range. Y is an element of real number wherein y is not equal to 1. Now, paano yung inverse, sir? Okay? Paano yung inverse? So, we have now, gawa tayo ng table para madali natin ma-identify. So, this is the function of x minus 9. Ito naman yung inverse function. Okay? You have your domain and range. So, for the domain and range, you have here, right, x such that x in an element of real number wherein x is not equal to negative 3. Yung range ng function y such that y is an element of real number wherein y is not equal to 1. Paano, sir, sa inverse? Sabi natin, you have to interchange. So, we simply interchange. So, this one will be your domain. On the other side, this will be your range. So, meaning, this is now your x, such that x is an element of real number. X is not equal to 1. So, range, y is set of real number, wherein y is not equal to negative. These are how we find the domain and range of the inverse function.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the journey of learning mathematics.